Stop.
Good Thursday morning, YouTubers. No, shh. I hope everyone is doing well and swell on this Thursday morning. Well, guys, maybe some of you have been wondering why I have not done any cold starts or warm starts with my Steel BG 86 handheld leaf blower. So 3 weeks ago from tomorrow, I brought it to the shop because it wasn't running right. Every time I would try, when I would start it, it would not want to idle. It wouldn't idle, and when I would press on the trigger all the way, it would stall out, and it actually locked up. Now, the reason for that was because the reason why it locked up, it actually locked up, and I pulled the handle out of the rope. The reason why the reason why I pulled the handle out is because it flooded over, or it flooded. So anyway, it needed a new carburetor, and it also needed a new exhaust tube, because when I tried to unlock it one day, I bent the exhaust tube, and it was a pretty penny. The repair wasn't cheap. It was $124, but I got it back, and it's running great. And for those of you who don't know anything about the Steel BG86 handheld leaf blower, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the blower right now. So it blows at 190 miles per hour. It has an automatic choke system. What that means is if you... Okay, so there's half choke, and then there's full choke. And then of course, you take the choke off, but so there's full choke, half choke, and then of course, you take it off choke. But so here's how the automatic choke system works. So the automatic choke system, so if you start it when it's cold, once it's running, all you have to do is just press on the trigger, and it goes off of choke. Now my Echo PB2620 is different because my Echo PB2620 is different because my Echo PB2620 it's either put it on choke, or if it's or it's off choke. There's nothing in between. But the Steel BG86, it has an automatic choke system. So, yep. And when it's running, you can put it on half choke, and it won't stall out. So anyway, that is that, my friends. And it is cold out there. It's 28 degrees right now, according to Alexa. Man, where the heck did this year go? I can't believe today is November 1st. Or 2nd, excuse me. I can't believe today is November 2nd. All right, let's get the cold start underway here. cold start. There is your cold start. Anyway, pretty, man. So, as you guys heard, it's, Robert. It's running great. That it is. Anyway, please subscribe to our channel, Thomas and Savannah. And Savannah and I will see you guys in a couple hours for the keyboard. All right, y'all take care.